Today we are taking a look at the Toyota Cresta 2.5 Super Lucent G for the 1990 model year, the JZX81 kit from Aoshima. 1/24 scale, kind of a curbside kit, and it is today's What's in the Box. Hey everyone, and welcome into today's What's in the Box. So this version of the kit was released in 2018. The two-lane was initially released in 1993 as the JZX90 Toyota Cresta 2.5 Tour V. Let's check it out. Getting started with the body. We started out with the chassis, and you can see majority of the detail. Underside detail is molded into it. And up here you have part of the exhaust. And now getting started with one of the first of the parts trees. This has a little bit of, well, mostly underside bits, chassis pieces. Probably sure majority of them you won't use. You have a second exhaust. Have another set of exhaust, second set of exhaust pipes. I'm not sure which one you'll be using. I have to look at the instructions. Suspension, fuel tank, another exhaust, spare tire. And moving on to the next part sheet, which has some more bits, some brake rotors, and some other suspension pieces. So up here, let's check out the brakes. See, good amount of detail on the brakes. They look pretty good. Got wheel pins. Looks like some other pieces over there too. And then on this one, you have the axle, front spindles. Looks like those are the rear axle extenders. Kind of extend the rear axle out. I think that's what those are. And I'm taking a look at one of the interior parts trees. So I have door panels, seats, dash, steering wheel, TV antenna for the trunk. A rear spoiler. Let's see that. Rear deck spoiler. And some front seats with the choice of a custom seat, custom driver's seat. And here you have the steering wheel, steering column, TV antenna, two-piece TV antenna, gear shift lever, muffler, exhaust piece. And this parts tree here, which has a full, looks like a lower front valence air dam piece, another a sporty muffler piece. A sport steering wheel. I'm not sure what that piece is for. Oh, it looks like a low profile spoiler. And getting started with the first of the interior parts trees. First, the interior piece. Another set of mirrors. And also included in the kit is an optional aero parts tree, which it says right up there, Cresta Aero. So you have a front aero bumper piece, lower half of the front bumper. And then you have some other aero pieces. You have side rocker panel pieces and lower part of the rear bumper panel. And now taking a look at basically some engine parts trees, you have a couple of choices here. You have the 1G GZE engine supercharger up here, and then you have the 1G GTE twin turbo, the insert piece, engine insert piece. So the block is basically molded into the insert piece, so it's not really, it's top half engine detail. 1G GZE. Again, everything is halved. There's half the pulley system, half the front piece of the block. You have the top part of the engine. You have your still call it a curbside kit because it pretty much kind of is, really. And taking a look at the wheels, which are kind of a satin chromish finish. So you have wide out back, skinny out front. And now take a look at the chrome parts tree, which is pretty simple. You have a front grille and headlight bucket piece. And taking a look at the clear parts trees. So you have the main window piece here. This is going to be custom version. Now here's going to be for the stock. You have your headlight lenses, turn signal lenses, your rear tail light panel piece there, and some, I'm guessing, I don't know what those are for. Just to have fog lights and all. And then to show off that the awesome engine detail, you have a clear hood. And finally, now take a look at the window mask sheet for the front and rear window, and the decal sheet. And now taking a look at the tire baggie, which has the tires, which you can see are skinny up front, wide out back, and they are going to be a set of Yokohamas. And you have your front axle pins, your rear axle, license plates. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the Toyota Cresta JZX81 for the 1990 model year kit from Aoshima. And yes, you're going to get yourself some Toyota color matched paint. See if James and Scalefinishes can get some of that mixed up for you. So, on that note, thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.